Hello, my dear mathematics lovers. Today we have a question, and the question is, if sine x equals 8 over 17, find the value of tan x over 1 plus 2 tan x. So with this question, the trigonometry ratios, which are the SOHCAHTOA, is going to help us solve this question. Now, which value are we finding for? We are finding for the value of this expression tan x over 1 plus 2 tan x. So it means that we have to find tan x, then we do the substitution. And which information is given? That is the sine x. Sine x is equal to 8 over 17. So this means that the unknown angle is the x, because we can see that the unknown angle is the x. So according to the trig ratio, we have sine x is equal to opposite, which is the O, over the hypotenuse, which is h. And according to the information in the question, the opposite is the numerator, which is the 8, all over the hypotenuse is 17. So this information is going to help us to sketch a right angle triangle. So let me sketch the right angle triangle. And according to right angle triangle, one of its interior angles should be 90 degrees. Now we know that the unknown angle is x. So let me bring the unknown angle here. Wherever the unknown angle faces is called the opposite. And in the question, it is 8. That is the numerator. So the opposite is 8. And where the 90 degrees angle faces is the hypotenuse. That is the longest side. So the h is 17. So h, which is the hypotenuse, is equal to 17. So this means that the other side is called the adjacent. The adjacent. According to Pythagoras theorem, the longest side square, so which is 17 square, is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides, the opposite and the adjacent. So we have the opposite to be 8, so 8 square plus the adjacent square. That is the Pythagoras theorem. So let us make the adjacent square the subject. So we have 17 square is equal to, minus, let me bring the 8 square to the left hand side. So minus 8 square, which is equal to adjacent square. 17 square is 289 minus 8 square is 64, which is equal to the adjacent square. Now, the adjacent square is equal to 289 minus 64 is equal to 225. So the adjacent is equal to, for us to remove the square, we have to find the square root of what is on the right hand side, which is 225. And the square root of 225 is 15. So it means that the adjacent is 15. Now, why are we doing all this? Because we want to find tan x so that we can do the substitution. Now we know that according to the trig ratio, which is 2, now tan x is equal to the opposite, which is O, over the adjacent. So we have the adjacent here. Now, according to the diagram that we have, what is the opposite? The opposite is given as 8 all over the adjacent is 15. Okay, because we are finding what? Tan x. So now we can see that tan x is equal to 8 over 15. So can we now do the substitution? So we have tan x all over 1 plus 2 tan x, because this is what we are finding in the question. And now we have gotten the tan x, so we can do the substitution. Let's continue. Now tan x is equal to 8 over 15. So we have 8 over 15, all dividing 1 plus 2 times tan x, which is what? 8 over 15. So we have 8 over 15 all over, okay, we have 1 plus 2 times 8 is 16. So we have 16 over 15. Now let us do the simplification. So we have 8 over 15 all dividing. Now for us to simplify 1 plus 16 over 15, we have to find the LCM, which is 15. You see that one is, every whole number is over 1, so 1 is over 1. So we say that 1 goes into 15, 15 times 1 is 15, plus 15 goes into 15 1 times 16 is 16. So we have the numerator is 8 over 15. Okay, dividing. Now I'm turning this division sign to be this. So we have 31 here over 15. Let us continue. So we have 8 over 15. Now let us change this division sign to multiplication, times. And once we turn this division sign to multiplication, we have to find the reciprocal of 31 over 15, which is 15 over 31. So we can see that 15 will cancel itself 1, 15 will go into 15 1. So we have 8 over 31. 8 over 31. And since this is a proper fraction, we can leave the answer as 8 over 31. So it means that tan x over 1 plus 2 tan x is equal to 8 over 31. Please, in case you didn't understand anything, I want to see your question in the comment section. I want you to comment, hit on the like button. I want you to share for other people to enjoy. Thank you for watching. Bye.